What's up guys, Andy here with another episode of Tap Lab. Today we're going to be talking about Anchor 3.0. First impressions of Anchor 3.0. Anchor is an app that allows you to easily create podcasts. So let's hop over to the App Store first of all, and let's see what they've updated in the new version. So it says Anchor podcasting made easy. Welcome to Anchor 3.0, the easiest way to make a podcast ever. Tons of new features. Brand new episode builder, reorder segments. They removed the 5-minute limit for mobile recordings. I know someone asked about that. You can now save recordings for later in your drafts. Entire threaded conversations with friends, and an all new Discover section. All right, let's hop into the app. So right away, it takes us to the creation screen. Let's come back to this. Head over to the listen screen or the main screen, the home screen, and you can see we now only have 3 tabs here on the bottom: listen, record, and profile. So first impressions, this is really nice. This is much better than the wheel that they previously had. It was previously like a wheel design that you kind of rolled through or scrolled through or swiped through. So this is much better. Right along the top we have our favorites, or like the people that we followed, the podcasts that we followed. Discover something new. So these might be ones that they're kind of highlighting. They're bigger. And then just more sections for discovery. These scroll side to side. I wish that like the edge here was more apparent along the right side, so we could kind of see that there's more over here to scroll side to side. Because when you're just looking at it like this, it doesn't necessarily appear that way. Like this one here does a good job of that, but these ones could use some resizing to make that more apparent. So we have top episodes, and then you can browse categories, dive right into something. The search bar up at the top, it's kind of filled with text that will tell us what we can search for in here. So I think that's a nice touch. Search for gaming. So then it will come up with tabs for podcast, people, and episodes. So I think this is a little confusing or unclear for new people to the app. I think people can have multiple different podcasts, and then there's episodes within the podcasts. I'm not sure on that. Like, it's still a little unclear to me. It's something I need to look into, research more. Let's hop over to the profile tab. We got another nice update here on the profile tab. Pretty much everything works as it should. We've got activity up here at the top. You can share. And then the settings is the 3 dots. The settings screen is nice and clean. It looks like we can change the background color here. Hit save in the top right, go back, then we can get a new background color on our profile, so that's cool. I just want to say, like, I've been using mobile apps hardcore for years and years and years, and what Anchor has built here is extremely impressive, even the first versions of the app. The design and development team must really know what they're doing here. It's pretty apparent for me, like I can see that this app is nice and smooth, everything that's going on here. Like even when you switch to record, these animations coming in, you tap stuff like this, we got just beautiful animations and transitions. And that stuff is not easy to do. So props to the Anchor team here. It really shows that they know what they're doing. But here on the episode screen, I'm not going to dive into any of this too much. This is more of just a first impressions video. Then I'll have to do some more research, maybe make some tutorials about this. We have the new episode screen. On the top left, it looks like we can name the episode there. We can hold down the record button to record some audio. Let's hit save, add recording to episode. Publish, not yet. So then we have one segment and kind of goes in and fills in that dotted line area. And then I'm guessing these will build out a list. So let's add a voice message so I can add someone else's message to an episode. So now I have 2 items in the episode. Let's add in a transition. So I have 3 items in the episode. You can see this bar along the top of the screen with the different colors. So that's sort of breaking down the length of each segment in the episode. And each of these items, these white boxes here, are a segment. So you basically build out the episodes with segments, and that's how you create an episode for your podcast. So I'm not going to publish this or anything, obviously, just a quick test, but this is looking really good so far. And there you have it, first impressions for the Anchor 3.0 update. I hope you guys found this video helpful. Be sure to drop a comment down below and let me know what you think. Let me know what you'd like me to do a tutorial on. Be sure to subscribe to the channel for daily social media and mobile app videos like this one. I'll see you guys next time.